Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you something that a lot of you probably already know. However, we're going to cover this for the beginners. I got a question on a previous video on how to check comps on the eBay app. And so in today's video, I'm just going to share that with you. Very basic, easy, simple steps. However, there's a couple pitfalls along the way that you might want to avoid or ways to work around these pitfalls. And so I'm going to share with you what I do in order to look up items on eBay to check comps, that is completed sales or comparable sales. With that being said, let's jump into my screen here. All right, so I have my screen here, and I've actually got 3 pairs of shoes today that I'm going to be showing different variations of checking comps. I got this pair of Hokas. These are my personal pair. They're really dirty. We've got a pair of Nike Dunks right there, the Red Devils, and then we have a pair of Vans skate highs in the blue suede and brown suede on the heel. And so I'm going to show you how to look these 3 things up because they're all a little bit different. So on something like the Hokas, these filthy Hokas, these are the Hoka Clifton 6. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up my eBay app right here, and I'm going to go to search, and I'm going to look up Hoka Clifton 6 men's. And so we're saying hypothetically maybe you found this pair out in the thrift store and you want to see what they're worth. This is what I would do. I would open this up. There's a lot of variations there. We see my blue and white pair is the 3rd search result right there. What I'm going to do, I'm not sure if this works on Android, but on iPhone, you can actually swipe from right to left. So I'm going to swipe over, and that opens a panel right there. And that panel, you can scroll through. I have mine locked on used condition. You can see that right there at the top. It's got a lock placed on it because I'm pretty much only buying used shoes at this point. So that is my lock. And then about halfway down the page, you see it says sold items. I want to click that. It's going to automatically click on the completed sales as well. And so you can lock those if you want to. Typically, if I'm outsourcing, I lock those because that way it will just organically show sold comps. And so we'll lock the sold, and then we show the results. And so you can see right here, we've got a pair of the gray and blue at the top they took a best offer off of $45. We got a pair of the blue and white pre-owned for $75. They took a best offer. So typically what I do is I just scroll down until I see something that looks like the one that I'm selling, and then I will check it out. So a lot of these are going probably 40 to 60 bucks, and some of them are taking best offers. There's one right there that sold for $69.99 plus shipping, same shoe that I have. So that's how you do it if you know the name of the shoe, the model of the shoe. Now let's go into this. These Dunk Red Devils are already listed. Whenever I typed in the shoe code from the size tag, it did not show up. Nothing came up. And so I'm going to see if it does now, but I do know that they are the Dunk Red Devils. So let's see what we can do here. I'm going to go back to eBay. I'm going to clear out my search bar. It's kind of hard to see the style code on these. All right, so I'm just going to type in Nike, and then I'm going to put 904233. I think that's what it says. 904233. So that's the shoe code, and then it's going to say dash. Oh man, I think these are dash 800. 800 is the color code. So we type it in. All right, now you see it says no exact matches found. Typically, that's what you want to start with, but if it's no exact matches found, what I like to do is pull off that dash and then the color code, and it should typically bring up other, there we go. So we have other Nike Dunks that are coming up here, and you even see right there, oh, it's a dash 600, that's why. It looks like an 800 on my shoe. So right there, Nike Men's Dunk High for $51 free shipping, but there's another pair right there. Because I know that these are the Dunk Red Devils, I can type that in, and then it will pop up here. There you go. And so that's really what we want to see. There's one that sold for 46, one that sold for 108, 130, 113, and then 300 for used shoes. So the style code and the color code don't always show up whenever you are searching for them. So it helps to know what the shoe actually is. And if you're getting some weird results or not getting results, feel free to go to Google and type in Nike and then whatever the style code and color code are. And typically you should get some kind of result, which will show you kind of the path to go down. It'll give you the title of the shoe. And then finally we have these Vans skate highs in blue suede with the tan heel. Just picked these up a few days ago. I did get them listed. However, Vans are weird because they give a 4-digit code, and this one is actually not even on here. It's been rubbed off. It only has the men's size. And then, unfortunately, with Vans, they don't give like a real style code. It'll say something like TB4H or something like that. And so when it does that, you typically have to just go off of the description of the shoe. With this, we're going to type in on eBay, we're going to say Vans Skate is SK8. High is HI. Men's shoes, so we're going to include that in there. We're going to search off of the men's shoes, but we're going to say blue suede brown heel. And so hopefully this will bring something up, and it doesn't. So let's take off heel. And this is what I do. I kind of like go super specific, and then I start backing off of the description. So we see a lot of blue suedes here. This is not a great search result. So what I would do is just kind of keep searching. Maybe that's black. This might be black. I can't tell. So let's say black suede and with brown, and still not great search results. But what I tend to do is look at this and say, hey, you know, these are selling anywhere from there's one for 25, kind of rough condition plus shipping, all the way up to 55 plus shipping. There's some $30, some $68. So anywhere in like that $40 to $60 range seems good for these. It's a pretty good pair. And aside from like the midsole being kind of like a tan, kind of discolored midsole, it's a pretty good pair. So that's typically how I do it. If I can't find an exact comp for that shoe, I'll typically just gauge it off of what I can find under that shoe, that basic shoe style. In this case, the Skate High. I hope that makes sense and brings clarity to this question. If you're a new eBay reseller and you want more information like this, be sure to click that subscribe button. Hit that like button if this video helped you in any way, and I'll see you guys on the next video.